So that was our visit to the lakes for today. Hope you enjoyed it. We've still got the ride home to go. Still pretty beautiful. I was thinking of going out to visit Toba today, but after the gym, I came straight out on the bike. Now I'm tired and I'm hungry, so I get to go home. Good plan, right? Good plan. Yeah, you can see it from up here. Well, I don't suppose you can see it. Anyway, I can see the river flowing, full of brown water. I find it quite disconcerting. It's like 20, 30 years with not enough water. Mana toki. I hit my 40s. I'm old now. Oh, little did I know. Bring on the 50s. Yeah, you got it. I changed my mind about that one. Not too old. In fact, I feel younger now than I did in my 40s. Probably than I did in my 30s. Not when I look in the mirror, of course, but with my attitude to life and my ability to go with it. So then when I was 56, I decided maybe I should try. I think I will never know unless I give it a go. So anyway, I said, can I have a trial lesson? And she said, if you want to take your bike test, you book a block. And the instructor was like, what's going on? Why do you want one lesson? And I said, well, because I don't know if this is the real thing or not. I want to feel it on a bike. I haven't ridden a bike for so long. I was 21 when I rode a bike. So I don't know if it's real. He said, there you go, get on it. And I was like, oh, okay. Of course, as soon as I went trundling off around that little car park area, it was like, oh my God, yes, I've got to do this. And I came back with the biggest smile on my face ever. And I said to him, yeah, I want to book lessons. Don't allow yourself to buy into the, oh, maybe I shouldn't do it then. As soon as I had that first lesson, I was addicted. That was it. And then no matter what, come rain or snow, I was going to be that. I'm a total synchronicity freak. I love them. To me, they're like signposts telling you're on the right road. And you kind of, when you set your heart on something and then synchronicity comes along, it's like, yes, thank you. That was a confirmation. I rang KTM just to ask, how much is a new bike? How long does it take to order one? Because I wanted to get an idea of what was out there, and I wanted to get an idea of what the costs were new versus second-hand. And as soon as I rang, this person said, coincidentally, we are about to advertise the showroom model. So if you're interested in it, we won't advertise it. And I was like, oh my God, what a synchronicity. Yes, hold it. I will come and see it tomorrow. Don't advertise it. And I put the phone down so excited, and I said to my husband, oh my God, Donna, you won't believe it. They're only selling their showroom bike, so it was as good as new as far as I'm concerned. Wasn't that a lovely synchronicity? This is the town of Valle de Abdelrachis. And I don't know if it's true, but I mean, Abdullahi sounds very Moorish, right? But apparently all the A words, all the towns that begin with A in Andalusia, including Andalus, stem from the Moorish language from when the Moors were here. Such a narrow-streeted little town, right? Because it's right on the edge of the road. Just enough space for one car. For in the days when just donkeys had to go up and down, they made them narrow. Let's see how much water there is. Wow, that surprised me. Well, there was a huge pothole and I sunk straight into it. I wondered actually because you could see the little wave. Oh dear, that was funny and fun. You see how life's an adventure if you find it in the little things. Look at that, that's Alara, that view. Spectacular, right? Flat top mountain. Such a beautiful view. Look how green it is. Andalusia's green. This bridge always got washed away. Always. Wow, look, they built a new bridge and it's fine. Mind you, we didn't have heavy floods with this heavy rain. We just had an awful lot of rain. This looks like it's doing a pretty good job, don't you think? Look, amazing. Don't think this one's going to get washed away in a hurry. Oh, so. I went down that track once because it looked so inviting. And you got to try and just have a look around, right? And then I was thinking, wow, what an amazing track. And then it came just to a house and there was these people sitting there. So it's like, oh, sorry, took the wrong track. And they were so friendly. Had a chat. And then came back and carried on with my ride. I love you, you love me. Oh, we're a great big family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? That comes from my teaching English days, little kiddies. This is La Jolla, and behind those mountains there is the lake, which is where we've just been.